Holy shit, been an awesome day. Flew 30 packs today in Atlanta and enjoyed this GoPro Mini 13 the whole time. It's been incredible. It hasn't overheated, it hasn't gotten super hot. I have flown 30 packs and the battery is still at 12%. I didn't plug it in all day. I've just been running it on every single pack and left it on several times, and come back at 10-15 minutes later and it's still running, and it's done great. I did notice when I set it up, first thing is I always turn off voice control. I always turn off GPS. Those things will eat away at the battery. I also turn off everything I possibly can. The big one that I saw that's new though is there's actually a battery saving option on here, and I use that. I use screen lock and auto screen off in a minute. But yeah, incredible battery life out of it. I'm gonna put it into USB-C and quick charge it tonight, and that'll do it. Really impressed. I can't wait to see the footage. I did crack the lens right here a little bit. I don't know if you can see. It's gonna focus. Maybe focus. I cracked the lens a little bit, normal lens crackage. Gonna have to order some more because it's a new standard. But yeah, fun. I've got some ideas for new design improvements to the case. This version 1 is just a prototype, and we'll get to a new design really quickly. That's the best part about 3D printing. New designs are fast as fuck. See you on the flip side. flyhighfpv.com if you need cases for the 13 Mini and the 13 Black. I got them both, and I'll be updating this one tonight. Peace.